Let's make some number sentences. And we're going to make them from word problems, everybody's favorite. All right, Amy has 10 marbles and finds 4 more while playing outside. How many marbles does Amy have now? Well, we can find out. Well, first, let's find out which numbers and keyword are important here. 10 she started with. She found 4, and the word more tells us what to do. Which operation does it tell us we should use? Addition. Yes, that's right. And now we can create an addition number sentence. So we'll start with our 10. We'll add our 4. And the problem doesn't tell us how many that is when you add 10 and 4, but we know 10 plus 4 is 14. Very good. All right, a similar problem, but there's some differences here. Tim has X marbles, we don't know how many, and finds 6 more while playing outside. Tim now has 9. How many marbles did Tim have originally? So you see, this is a little bit different. So this is still addition because we have X and then 6 more. All right. But here we don't have what we started with. We do have the answer, and that's 9. So we need to find out, what do you add 6 to get 9? You know what you can do? Count up from 6 to 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. Everybody, 3 is what Tim started with. All right, Lily had 10 trading cards for her collection. In her collection, I used to have a lot of trading cards. For her birthday, her parents multiplied by 2, the number of trading cards she had. Then she decided to share the trading cards equally with her best friend. How kind. Which numerical expression shows the total number of trading cards Lily has after sharing with her best friend? Well, we know she started with 10. Her parents multiplied by 2. And that happened first, and then she decided to share equally. So let's look at some choices. Ooh, you know what? If we don't see 10 times 2, we're having a problem. Look at C and D both said 10 plus 2. A says 10 divided by 2. No, it is important here that the 10 times 2 is in parentheses because that happens first, and then she can divide them and share with her friend. Letter B it is. Last one. Sophia is gathering seashells for a craft project. For 6 days in a row, she follows the same process. In the morning, she collects 5 seashells, and in the afternoon, she collects an additional 3 seashells. After Sophia collected all the seashells, she divided them into 3 equal-sized piles. Okay, let's take this one step at a time to make sure we get the order correct. So she collected 5 in the morning and 3 in the evening, okay? Put those together, 5 plus 3, that's 8, and that's 8 a day. And how many days did she do this? 6 days in a row. So there's 6 days, collecting 8. Now, watch what happens to our number sentence. It's 5 plus 3 now, but what we're going to do to that is take it times 6. Now we have to add the 5 plus 3 first, so it goes in parentheses. Then we can multiply times 6, and we get that is 48. And there's one last thing to do. She divides it into 3 piles. Watch what happens to the number sentence. Yeah, so dividing that into 3 equal-sized piles means dividing the entire 5 plus 3 in parentheses times 6. So we put it in brackets, and then we can divide that by 3. And that is your final number sentence.